Direct object pronouns. What are they and how are they used in Spanish? I'm guessing it's been quite a long time since you've thought about direct object pronouns. Remember that class called Language Arts? Probably was in elementary school or at best in middle school when you last had a class in language arts and talked about subjects and predicates and direct and indirect objects. So we are going to review that. And if you can't remember what a direct object pronoun is, that's okay. We're going to learn it now. So direct object pronouns, what are they and how are they used in Spanish? Well, let's see. Let's first identify the direct object. So in Spanish, if you have a sentence, yo leo el libro, it may be easier to begin with what is not a direct object. So a direct object is not the subject. And you might ask yourself, gosh, I don't even remember what a subject is. Well, a subject is the doer of the action. So you ask yourself, who is doing the layering? And remember, we learned that a verb that ends in O, the subject is yo. So yo is the subject of the sentence, not the direct object. So we can eliminate yo. A direct object is also not the verb or the action of the sentence. So what's the action? Leo comes from the verb leer. So leo is not the direct object either. So we can eliminate leo. So the direct object, what it is a receiver. It receives the action of the verb. What is being leered? El libro. So libro is the direct object. So what is the purpose of a direct object pronoun? In most cases, it replaces the direct object to avoid redundancy in a response. So if someone asks you, ¿lees el libro?, you can answer, sí, leo el libro. But el libro is repeated when it doesn't have to be. So to avoid repeating the direct object, we replace it with its pronoun, and we place the pronoun before the verb. So if someone asks you, ¿lees el libro?, you can say, sí, lo leo. So that's a brief introduction. And later on, we will learn the rest of the direct object pronouns and practice how to use them in a sentence. So I hope this gave you a good introduction to direct object and direct object pronouns. For now, hasta luego.